guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mugisha. Welcome if you're new here, welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm going to be doing a get to know me tag. I asked you guys on my Instagram what you guys wanted to see next on my channel. I asked whether you guys wanted to see a weight loss Q&A or a get to know me tag, and by surprise a lot of you guys asked me for a Q&A about me. So I was like, alright, I'll give it to you. I feel like I'm boring. I don't know why y'all want to know about me, but I'm gonna give it to the people. So before we get started, y'all, I'm gonna need y'all to go down below and like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I go ahead and post a new video, and stay tuned. Let's get into it. Alright, so I'm gonna be getting into the assumptions portion of this video. I asked you guys on my Instagram what you guys wanted to see next on my channel, and you guys mostly voted for a get to know me tag. And I also asked you guys what you guys wanted to know about me, as well as what your assumptions about me are. So I'm gonna go ahead and answer those right now. Alright, so the first question that I got from Instagram was, how did you become more confident in your modeling? This is from my friend Hannah. I always tell Hannah that she's one of the reasons why I became so confident, especially in front of a camera. She does most of my photo shoots as well as most of the videos that you guys saw on my Instagram. She's definitely helped me come out of my shell more and be more confident in front of people and really be myself. So I attribute a lot of that to her. So thanks a lot, Hannah. Love you, sis. I'm going to go ahead and link her Instagram down below so you guys can see more of her pictures and see more of her. Alright, so Hannah also asked, what is your favorite thing about yourself? I would say I like the fact that I am pretty generous. Well, if I do say so myself, I feel like I'm a generous person. I do like giving to people, and I like helping people out, whether it's me giving something physically or just me putting you on to game, like giving you some type of information that you may not have known about, whether people want to come up to me and ask for some advice. I've always been one to lend an open ear just so I can help other people, and I've always liked that about myself. Alright, so the next one is from my friend Khadija, and this is her assumption. She said, the baddest to ever walk the earth. Appreciate, she says she's definitely my favorite hype woman. She's always complimenting me, showing me love, and I absolutely adore her. Love you, Deesh. Thank you so much. You be giving me a big ass head. I already have a big head as it is, but she really be hyping me and making me feel so good as well. Thanks, sis. Right, so the next question is from my friend Divine. She was on a roll. She asked me a lot of questions, so I'm gonna go and get through those. So the first question she asked is, what do you study? I'm a public relations major with a minor in business management. Alright, so Divine also had the assumption that I have a lot of friends and people love me. I guess I would say I have a decent amount of friends. I wouldn't say I have a lot of friends. I have like my close friend circle, the people I normally hang out with, and then I also have my acquaintances and people that I know of. But yeah, I guess that's somewhat true. And her next assumption is, you low-key have a man but don't post them. Sis, I high-key have a man and I don't post them. Yes, I am taken. It's in my bio, but I just don't really talk about my boyfriend. I'm a very private person. I'm not one to really share. So, alright, so the next one is from my friend Nikki / Rainbowlicious, and she asked me, what is my favorite music type or artist? My favorite music type, I really love rap. That's like my genre of music. And my favorite artist is tied between J. Cole and Joey Badass. Honestly, they're on my top 3 roster, definitely. Yeah, she also asked what my favorite hobby is. This is my favorite hobby right now. Before that, I like doing hair as a hobby, but right now this is one of my favorite hobbies, YouTube. Alright, so my next question is from my friend Claudia. He asked me what my favorite movie is. I'm just going to give y'all what my favorite movie series is. I love Harry Potter. I've watched it so many times and I can rewatch it many more times. You'll get annoyed by me when it comes to that, but I know everything when it comes to Harry Potter. I'm one of those people who really likes to rewatch things just because I like to see it like another time, see it from a different perspective and really get a vibe of it. That's just me. The next question that I got is, what is my favorite food? So my favorite burundian food is going to have to be isombe. You guys know the vibes, you know what it is. Alright, so the next question is, where do you buy your wigs from? I bought this particular wig from Ali Grace Hair. This is their 6x6 lace wig with 150 density, and it's 18 inches. I've been wearing this for a little while, and I'm gonna be coming out with a review for this hair, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna go ahead and link the information down below in the description box just so you guys know where to get this hair. Alright, so the next assumption is from my brother. I'm gonna just put it on the screen so y'all can really see the disrespect. It really be your own people. Like, alright, so the first question is, what is your full name? My full name is Mugisha Marie Merve. That's what I go by. Some of you guys may know me as Mary. Some of you guys may know me as Mugisha or Marie or Merve, whatever you guys want to call me. I'm mostly called Mugisha. That's what everyone normally calls me at school. That's the only time I really get called Mary, or at work. But yeah. All right, so the next question is, where are you from? And I'm gonna just say, so yes guys, I am Burundian. Both of my parents are Burundian. My parents are both from Makamba. I was there last summer. I absolutely loved it. I can't wait to go back representing for my people. I absolutely love Burundi. All right, how many languages do you speak? I speak 2. I speak English and Kirundi. I speak English fluently, I guess you could say, but I speak Kirundi, but it's more difficult for me to speak it than it is for me to speak English. I do understand it a lot better. A lot of people really be thinking I don't speak Kirundi at all, or I don't understand it at all. I understand Kirundi perfectly fine. I just have an issue with, like, you know, grammatical errors and stuff like that, you know, how to say certain things or what order to say things, because I don't really have much practice speaking Kirundi at home. But I do like to go ahead and speak to my mom in both Kirundi and English, and sometimes if I have like a question on how to say something in Kirundi, she'll just go ahead and correct me on that, and that's how I've been learning. Alright, so the next question is, where were you born? This is where it confuses a lot of people, because yes, both of my parents are Burundian, but my brothers and I were not born in Burundi. We were all born in Tanzania. I moved here when I was 2, so it kind of gets chopped when people ask me, hey, where are you from? And I have to explain, well, I'm from Burundi, but I wasn't born there, but I was born in Tanzania, but I'm not Tanzanian, because as I stated before, both of my parents are Burundian. I was raised with Burundian values and the culture as well, so I don't claim Tanzania just because I don't know much about their culture. Alright, so how many countries have you visited other than the US? I have visited 6 countries other than the US. I have visited Burundi, Tanzania, Rwanda, Ethiopia, Germany, and Canada. I've been to Canada multiple times to where I can't even count anymore. I've been to Burundi twice, Rwanda twice, Ethiopia 4 times, and Germany once. So yeah. Alright, if you could go anywhere in the world on vacation, where would you go? Right now, honestly, I would say I would go to the Bora Bora Beach Club in Burundi. I was there last year and I really liked it, so I definitely would want to go back and visit. Other than Burundi, I think I would definitely want to go visit London. I've always wanted to visit London for some reason. I've wanted to live there since I was a kid, so that's another place that I would probably visit right now. Alright, so the next question is, where did I grow up? As I stated before, I was born in Tanzania, moved to the United States when I was 2 years old, moved to Maryland. I lived in Maryland until I was about 5 or 6. Then I came to Connecticut. I would say I mostly grew up in Connecticut because this is where I went to elementary school, middle school, high school, and now college. So this is where I grew up. Alright, so do I have any siblings? I do have 2 brothers. I have an older brother as well as a younger brother. My older brother is 23 and my younger brother is 19. So I am the middle child and I'm the only girl. You know, I've been asking for a sister for years. It hasn't happened, but you know, it's never too late. But you know, I'm okay with it. I'm okay. Alright, so the next question is, what is your zodiac sign? I am a Capricorn. I'm a January baby. You know, the GOAT, the greatest of all time. Comment down below if you're also a Capricorn, whether you were born in December or January. Let me know. I want to see where my Caps are. So the next question is, am I an introvert or an extrovert? I always say I'm an introverted extrovert. I'm one of those people who, like, I would rather just chill in my house and, you know, be by myself and not worry about hanging out with nobody. But when it comes down to it and I have to really be out there and about, I can be really outgoing when I want to be. You know, I normally am outgoing when it comes to meeting other people. I'm not really shy when it comes to that. But sometimes, you know, I like to just be by myself and just, you know, chill. You know, it's not always a thing where I want to be going out and doing the most. Alright, so are you a morning person or a night person? Guys, if you guys know me, I'm high-key team no sleep. For the longest, I would not sleep at all. Like, I would probably sleep for a few hours or I'd be up all night. Like, I'm definitely a night owl. I'm more productive at night. That's just always been me. I just recently became more of a morning person. I do wake up a lot earlier nowadays, so I don't know. So I might be a morning person. It really changes. It depends on like what day it is, or it depends on how I'm feeling throughout the week. Alright, so the next question is about to be so basic, but I had to do it. What's your favorite color? So my favorite color is blue. I love blue. I stated that in one of my other videos, you know. When it comes to wearing blue, I prefer wearing like navy blues and stuff like that, but blue is just my color in general, like, hence this purse. Question is, do I have any tattoos or piercings? I don't have any tattoos at the moment. I do want to get some. I just am the type of person who like really wants them to be sentimental and really mean something, and I want something completely different from whatever anybody else has. That's why I haven't gotten one, but I know where I would want my tattoos. But I do have piercings. I have 2 on each ear, and then I have my nose piercing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Question is, who is your favorite YouTuber? If you guys know me, I'm always posting about Nella Rose. I absolutely love Nella Rose. I've been watching her since my freshman year of college. Like, Nella, I believe, is just a year older than me, so I've always seen her as like a big sister. I just love Nella. She's just so funny, and I love the way she bigs up people, the way she like shows her like life, her friends. I just always love watching her channel. I feel like I always vibe with her. Like, she's like secretly my best friend in my head, but I digress. I just love Nella. So what is my favorite TV show? Guys, my favorite TV show is Grey's Anatomy. I have watched Grey's Anatomy all throughout, maybe 4 or 5 times. I like rewatch Grey's Anatomy. I normally watch it as background noise when I'm studying. I pretty much know everything that's going on, so I don't really have to pay attention to the TV, but Grey's is probably my favorite show. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys got to learn a little bit about me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe down below, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any videos that I post. It helps me so much, and please stay tuned for the next video. Bye guys. Alright, so how many languages do you speak? I speak 2. I speak English. English? What's that? Guys, I'm scrolling through some of these questions and I'm over here like, why would I answer that? Like, I'm really scrolling through these questions trying to find something for y'all, and I'm like, all right, let me scroll through and ask. Like, I literally just searched up like generic questions, and this one has like 300 questions. But what is the point of having multiple questions if none of them are quality? Like, only maybe 5 or 6 of them are quality. The rest of them I'm just like coming out of my ass with them. But some of them I'm just like, come on.